A recent incident involving actress Shraddha Kapoor and her rumored boyfriend, Rahul Modi, has raised concerns about privacy in the celebrity world. The situation began when photos of the two sitting close together on a flight went viral. However, the controversy took a more serious turn when a cabin crew member was caught on camera secretly recording the pair using the front camera of her phone. The video quickly spread across social media, attracting widespread attention and drawing criticism for the breach of privacy. Amid the social media buzz, actress Raveena voiced her concerns about the incident. She took to the comments section, saying, "This is a breach of privacy. The crew should know better than to do this. Consent must be taken. Not expected from crew members to do this." Tandon's comment resonated with many, highlighting an important issue: privacy is a fundamental right. While celebrities are often in the public eye, they still deserve respect and control over their personal moments. Being filmed or photographed without permission, especially in intimate or private settings, crosses a line. The relationship rumors between Shraddha Kapoor and Rahul Modi began circulating in 2024, following their frequent public appearances together. Although Shraddha has not confirmed the relationship, she recently hinted at having someone special in her life during an interview with Cosmopolitan. She shared, "I really love spending time with my partner, doing things like watching a movie, going for dinner, or traveling. I like spending time together or even not doing things together." Rahul Modi, a screenwriter known for his work on Love Ranjan's films, Karo Tu Jhoothi Main Makar, which starred Shraddha Kapoor and Ranbir Kapoor. While fans may be curious about Shraddha and Rahul's relationship, it's vital to remember the importance of privacy and consent. Celebrities, like everyone else, deserve to have their personal lives respected. The incident serves as a reminder that consent is crucial, regardless of one's fame. What do you think about respecting celebrity privacy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Fans were left shocked and worried after actress and dancer Nora Fatehi was spotted crying at Mumbai airport.
Nora madam, यहाँ से. Nora madam. Nora ma'am.
Wearing an all-black outfit and dark sunglasses, Nora looked visibly emotional as she walked through the terminal. Despite trying to hold back her tears, the paparazzi continued clicking photos, capturing her in a deeply somber state. Things took a tense turn when a fan approached Nora for a selfie. Her bodyguard stepped in, firmly pushing the fan away and asking him to back off.
Nora ma'am.
The moment, along with Nora's emotional state, was caught on camera and is now trending across social media. Just before her airport appearance, Nora shared a cryptic Instagram story. This translates to, "Indeed, we belong to Allah, and indeed, to Him we will return." This phrase is traditionally said upon hearing news of a death, suggesting that Nora might be mourning a personal loss. While Nora hasn't made any official statement, fans are speculating online. One user wrote, "Family mein kisi ki death hui hai." Another added, "Her auntie has passed away." However, the exact reason for her emotional state remains unconfirmed. On the work front, Nora Fatehi recently appeared in the web series The Royals. Fans around the world are sending Nora love and support. We hope she finds strength during this difficult time.
Nora madam, यहाँ से. Nora madam. Nora ma'am.
It's the comeback we've all been waiting for. Smriti Irani is officially returning as the iconic Tulsi Virani in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi Season 2, and the first look has already got fans buzzing with excitement. 25 years ago, Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi became a defining show on Indian television. It wasn't just a series, it was a shared memory that resonated with millions. And now, Tulsi Virani, the beloved matriarch of the Virani family, is back. In a recent interaction with media, Smriti Irani said, "Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi isn't just a show, it's a shared memory. For those who created it and the millions who embraced it, it was a story of families, faith, and the fabric that binds us across generations." But wait, there's more. The legendary Mihir Virani, played by Amar Upadhyay, is also back. The two will reunite on screen once again, rekindling the magic of their iconic bond. Fans are already thrilled to see them together. Season 2 of Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi isn't just about nostalgia, it's also about new beginnings. After a long break, Smriti Irani is stepping back into the world of acting, and we can't wait to see her bring Tulsi back to life with a modern twist. The show was originally supposed to launch in July, but now that shooting has officially begun, the magic is back on track. Expect emotional drama, family bonds, and all the iconic moments you loved, plus a fresh perspective that will capture the heart of a new generation. Fans can't wait to see Tulsi and Mihir reunite once again. Will they recapture the charm that made them household names? You won't want to miss it. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi Season 2 is set to dominate prime time once again. Stay tuned for the ultimate reunion. Tulsi and Mihir are back. Shefali Zariwala's sudden death has left her family devastated. She is survived by her parents, sister, husband Parag Tyagi, and their pet dog Simba. The morning after her demise, Parag was seen walking Simba, the pug, within their society's premises. This simple act led to widespread speculation and scrutiny on social media. While the family was busy performing Shefali's last rituals, Simba was also part of the activities. He accompanied Parag in distributing food among underprivileged people on the streets of Mumbai, showing a touching side of their grieving process. To address the concerns and rumors circulating online about Simba's well-being, Parag shared a video of the pug and reassured everyone that Simba was doing fine. His caption read, "Simba is hale and hearty and doing all the rituals to be done for his mom." This video is for all those wonderful people who were really concerned about our baby Simba because of some heartless people spreading false news about our baby Simba's health just to garner few likes and views. I would like to thank everyone who are really concerned about Simba. God bless you all. After Shefali passed away on the night of 27th June, the video of Parag and Simba walking around the building quickly made rounds on social media on 28th June. Parag found himself under the watchful eye of netizens. Paras Chhabra, who participated in Bigg Boss 13 with Shefali, spoke about the situation in an interview. He said, "Shefali and Parag were very close to their pet. He was a family member to them. 3 members were living together in a house, and one of them is suddenly gone. In such a situation, you should understand Parag's mental state. He would want to keep him even closer and very close to his heart. There is a sense of fear and longing at the same time. People might think it's strange, but since I know them closely, I understood his psychology. Moreover, their pet has grown old and cannot see properly. So, Parag's responsibility towards him increases even more. According to media reports, Shefali died of a cardiac arrest at the age of 42. Her post-mortem report is yet to be made public.